Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and insights into the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of sewing machines. And I'm excited to introduce what many consider to be the best Janome sewing machine for quilters out there. The Janome JW8100 fully featured computerized sewing machine. Quilters, pay attention. This machine is a game changer for your craft. With 100 built-in stitches, including 7 buttonholes, and a convenient extension table, the Janome JW8100 empowers you to bring your creative visions to life with precision and ease. What sets this sewing machine apart is its cutting-edge technology. From the easy threading system to the top drop-in bobbin and 7-piece feed dog system, every feature is designed to streamline your sewing experience. But wait, there's more. With bonus accessories like the extra-wide extension table, hardcover, even feed foot, and quarter-inch foot, you're getting incredible value with this machine. Whether you're working on quilts, garments, or home decor projects, the Janome JW8100 has you covered. But perhaps what's most impressive about this machine is its durability and reliability. Backed by Janome's reputation for quality craftsmanship and a 25-year limited warranty, you can trust that the JW8100 will be your faithful sewing companion for years to come. So, if you're a quilter looking for the ultimate sewing machine to elevate your craft, look no further than the Janome JW8100. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy sewing!